So the question number 1, the indigenous CAR-T therapy has shown maximum efficacy against B all and which other blood cancer? Option number D, non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Question number 2, which disease is caused by the accumulation of lipids in brain cells due to the deficiency or inactivation of lipid digesting enzymes? Which disease is caused by the accumulation of lipids in brain cells due to the deficiency or inactivation of lipids digesting enzymes? Option number D, Tay Sachs disease. Question number 3, the Human Genome Project, launched in 1990, had the goal of determining the sequence of how many billion how many billion base pairs that make up a human DNA? Option number C, 3 billion. 4. The first human gene therapy experiment, which began in September 1990, used a retroviral vector against which deficiency? So number A, adenosine deaminase. Question number 5. Which of the following is an example of a plasticity in plants? Option number B, heterophily. 6. The seeds of which plant of the Fabaceae family are used as a spice, flavoring agent and food supplement? Option number A, Trigonella Farnum Graecum. Question number 7. Which area of the main stem and roots contains the spongy, soft parenchyma cells that carry and store nutrients for the plant? Option number D, pith. 8. How many pairs of false ribs are located above the floating ribs that are connected to each other by costal cartilage? Option number D, 3. 9. What instrument is used to measure lung volumes during breathing? Option number C, spirometer. 10. Which of the following is the most abundant protein in the biosphere? Option number C, Rubisco. 11. When did the Hershey-Chase experiment provide solid evidence that DNA, not proteins, is the genetic material? Option number B, 1952. 12. Which of the following options best represents the prediction of a Punnett square? Option number D, genotype and phenotype probabilities. 13. Which biochemist received the Nobel Prize in 1958 for his work on the structure of proteins, especially insulin? Option number B, Frederick Sanger. 14. Which medical term describes an eating disorder in which energy expenditure is restricted below requirements, leading to significant weight loss? Number A, anorexia nervosa. 15. DBW 371, Karan Vrinda, DBW 303, Karan Vaishnavi, and DBW 187, Karan Vandana are varieties of which crop in India? Option number B, wheat. 16. In which year was the first cases of the disease now known as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome (AIDS) identified? Option number D is the right answer. 1981. 17. What pigment do Eternias have that gives them a reddish purple color in an acidic environment? Low pH. Number B, anthocyanins. 18. Which of the following is the correct terminology for the gap between two neurons where they communicate? Option number B, synaptic cleft. 19. In which chronic disease do the inner walls of the lungs air sacs called alveoli become damaged, causing them to eventually burst? Option number C, emphysema. 20. Which mineral helps in the formation of insulin granules, digestion, metabolism, and functioning of the male prostate? Which mineral? Option number A, zinc. 21. Which of the following processes is absent in C4 plants? Option number B, photorespiration. 22. The exchange of gases that the alveoli and tissues occurs by which process? Number C, diffusion. 23. Which of the following elements is not generally found in proteins? Number D, phosphorus. 24. Which of the following terms describe a change in the DNA sequence resulting in changes in the genotype and the phenotype of an organism? Number C, mutation. 25. Which of the following correctly represents the function of dietary fiber in the human diet? Function of the dietary fiber in the human diet. Number B, aids digestion. 26. What is the main function of the sclerenchyma, a plant tissue composed of dead cell with extremely thick lignified walls? Number D, to provide mechanical support and strength to the plant. 27. Which is the deadliest species of Plasmodium that causes malaria in humans? Option number A, Plasmodium falciparum. 28. Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? Option number B, measles. 29. Which of the following is classified as micronutrients? C. Option number C, vitamins. 30. How many facial bones are there in the face skeleton, each with its own anatomical landmarks and stage of development? Option number C, 14. 31. Biological disasters are mainly caused by? Number B, infectious diseases and epidemics. 32. Which biomolecules are responsible for catalyzing biochemical reaction? Option number B, enzymes. 33. Which of the following diseases is caused by the protozoa? Option number B, malaria. 34. Which of the following organs represents the female reproductive part of a flower in angiosperm? Number C, gynosium. 35. What happens to excess carbohydrates in the body? Option number C, they are converted into fat and stored. 36. Consider the following vitamins. Which of them is a fat soluble? Option number B, 1 and 4 only. Vitamin A and vitamin D. 37. In angiosperm, which of the following organs represents the male reproductive part of a flower? Male reproductive part of a flower. Option number C, androsium. 38. Which of the following foods is a source of animal protein? C, eggs. 39. What is the name of the glycoprotein produced in the liver that plays a crucial role in blood clotting? Option number B, fibrinogen. 40. Which of the following foods is a rich source of dietary fiber for human beings? Option number C, oats. 41. Which micromolecules is primarily responsible for energy storage in plants? Option number B, starch. 42. In humans, which blood vessel carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to all the body parts? Option number D, arteries. 43. Which pair of scientists first proposed to the double helix model for the structure of DNA? Option number A, Watson and Crick. 44. What are the endemic species? Option number A, species found only in a particular area and nowhere else. 45. Which of the following parts of the plant is primarily responsible for sexual production in angiosperm? Option number D, flower. 46. What is the study of heredity and variations called? What is the study of heredity and variations called? Number C, genetics. 47. Consider the following vitamins. Which of them are water soluble? Option number D, only 2 and 4, vitamin B12 and vitamin C. 48. Proteins are mainly responsible for which of the following? Option number B, growth and repair of tissues. 49. Which of the following minerals is essential for oxygen transport in the blood? Oxygen transport in the blood. Option number D, iron. 50. Which of the following pigments is present in vegetables like spinach, giving it the characteristics green color? Option number C, chlorophyll. 51. What is the main function of the carbohydrates in the body? Option number C, it provides energy. 52. Which organelle is responsible for photosynthesis in plants? Number B, chloroplast. 53. The process by which traits are passed from parents to offspring is known as? Option number B, heredity. 54. Diabetes mellitus is caused by the inadequate secretion of which hormone? Option number B, insulin. 55. What is the name of the medical instrument used to listen to internal body sounds, especially from the heart and lungs? Number 8, stethoscope. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.